how to turn on or turn off fast wireless charging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So you will see battery is here, so click on battery. So after click on battery, so scroll down and click on charging setting. So after click on charging setting, you will see fast wireless charging option is here. So if you want to turn off fast wireless charging, so turn off this button, you will see fast wireless charging is turn off. So if you want to turn on fast wireless charging, so turn on this button, you will see fast wireless charging is turned on. So you will turn on or turn off fast wireless charging from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off fast wireless charging on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.